Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about HTML. To start, first we will need a platform where we can write our code. For that I use Replit. First go to Replit and sign up, then, click the Create HTML, CSS, JS button and give a name of your file. After that, wait for Replit to create a file. Because we are starting HTML for the first time, remove everything. To learn HTML, first we need to know the structure of it. First write doc type using curly bracket in the starting and at the end. Then move to the next line and write HTML using curly bracket. You see, when you type using curly brackets it is double. It means if you use curly bracket it will be doubled. Now type head using curly bracket inside HTML. Then, write title inside head. In HTML the words that you write inside curly bracket are known as tag. After that, come outside of the head tag and type body inside HTML using curly bracket. That's it, you have successfully learned the structure of HTML. Let's see some use of your program. Move inside the body tag and write something. For me, I am writing, "Hey guys, please subscribe to my channel." Then run the code. You see the words that you have write inside body tag as has shown up. You can move to full screen by tapping on the new tab button in the right top corner. You see here it shows HTML structure and something. Now come back to your code and move inside title tag. And write anything. I am writing www.ourcode.com. Now run it again. It looks like nothing has changed. But no, something has changed. To see that, go to full screen and refresh it once. Then move your mouse to the tab. See that the words are here. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching my video. Guys, this is my first video in this channel, so make sure to subscribe. Bye.